The FIU Bridge was constructed so that the main campus town could be connected to the town of Streetwater. The university hoped that constructing a bridge at this location with a unique design would allow them to create a vibrant college town center in Streetwater. The ultimate goal, then, was to introduce a path for pedestrian traffic to safely and efficiently cross the 8 lanes of traffic separating the two locations. The bridge was built by a collaboration between 5 separate companies. The companies are FIU Bridge Engineers, Manila Construction Management, Bolton Perez and Associates, who provided inspection and engineering services, Structural Technologies, and the Structural Group of Florida, with the majority of the work being done by FIU Bridge Engineers and Manila Construction Management. At about 1:47 p.m. on March 15, 2018, the pedestrian bridge crossing Southwest 8th Street collapsed and fell 18.5 feet. At the time of the collapse, there were 8 vehicles stopped underneath the 174-foot-long bridge. 7 of those 8 vehicles were occupied, and all were partially or fully crushed. Also, at the time of the collapse, there were several members of the construction crew working on the bridge. Due to the accident, 1 bridge worker and 5 vehicle occupants died. 4 bridge workers and 4 other people were injured. Here is a video of the accident as it occurs. According to the NTSB, the bridge collapse was due to design errors in the northernmost nodal region of the bridge. At this location, 2 truss members that were connected to the bridge deck had been designed with an underestimation of the true load that would be placed on them. This led to cracks in the deck, with one right next to the failing trusses and being of significant size. The concrete and steel rods were also tested by the NTSB to see if they could meet the minimum standards required, which they did. Thus, these cracks and overstressed trusses are deemed to have been primary factors for why the bridge collapsed. The aftermath of the incident led to many OSHA citations for every company involved. In addition, Manila Construction Management has had to file for bankruptcy. This incident has also led to increased scrutiny on projects such as these, which means that future projects will go through stronger and better safety checks to ensure that an incident like this does not repeat itself. Canon 1 of the ASCE Code of Ethics states, "Engineers shall hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public, and shall strive to comply with the principles of sustainable development in the performance of their professional duties." The engineers of this project violated the first canon because although they were aware of safety flaws before the accident occurred, they failed to act on these issues. Also, Canon 5 of the ASCE Code of Ethics states, "Engineers shall build the professional reputation on the merit of their services and shall not compete unfairly with others." According to Linwood Howell, an engineer who examined the plans of this project, this canon was also violated in this project, because when the cracks appeared, instead of the project engineers meeting to talk about them, the safety concerns were dismissed in what seems to have been an ad hoc process of agreement by an informal committee of non-qualified persons. It seems that these engineers basically bowed to pressure from their superiors. Though tragic, this incident will have a positive impact on future engineers, as it will be a strong reminder of why we live by the ASCE Code of Ethics.